Hey guys, Jack Scalfani here. How you doing? Today's episode is brought to you by HelloFresh. HelloFresh has been a friend of the show for years. Why? Because they make amazing meals, and we like doing their meals here on the show. If you've used HelloFresh, then you understand what I'm talking about. If you haven't used HelloFresh, try them out. We're talking America's #1 meal kit. Don't forget the special they gave me for my viewers. All right? Go to HelloFresh.com right now, put in Jack Show 60, and you're going to get a total of $60 off. That's 6 free meals. 2 free meals for your first 3 boxes that you order. So after you unpack your box, you get bags like this. Included in every bag is everything you need to make the meal. You're talking about 30-minute meals. They're delicious. They're well-balanced. Nutritionists check it all out and make sure before it ships out that everything's according to plan, everything's fresh and wonderful. Take a look at the meals they sent me. The first meal they sent me is cauliflower, bacon, mac and cheese. Does that look amazing? The second meal they sent me was curry, spiced cauliflower, and squash. Yummers. Looks great. Now, if you like meat, that's great. If you're vegetarian, they also have a vegetarian selection. So check them out, talk to them, give them a try, and you'll fall in love with them like I have. Today we're making the third meal, and today is maple and rosemary glazed pork cutlets. So the reason why I do these videos is to show you how amazing their dishes are and to show you how easy it is to make their food. They give you 6 easy steps on every meal right back on the back of this card. You pick the card that you're cooking, you follow the steps, and you make the meal. And you're eating delicious stuff. So let's give it a try. You ready? So let's run down all the ingredients. We got our pork cutlets. We got our apples. We got our lettuce. Now, I don't know if you know, but lately it's been hard messing with lettuce. HelloFresh taking care of the lettuce. So the lettuce you get from them is fresh and clean. You don't have to worry about it. You got couscous, you got mayonnaise, chicken broth, white wine vinegar, maple syrup, scallions, rosemary. Step 1, prep, wash, and dry all produce. All right, there we go. Everything is cleaned and everything is prepped. It's all chopped up. Apples, rosemary, white scallion, green scallion. Step 2, cook couscous. Okay, we're going to heat a little bit of olive oil. Throw in your white onions. I'd say about half the rosemary, because you're going to need the other half for later, so don't put it all in. And you're going to kind of toast this in the oil first, just for a few minutes. Once it becomes fragrant, we're going to cook the couscous. All right, we're now going to add some water so we can cook the couscous in with our seasoning. Bring that to a boil. We're going to stir it up and take it off the heat. We're just going to let it set for about 10 minutes. Step 3, cook pork. So now's the time to melt a little bit of butter, about a tablespoon of butter. Okay, now it's time to put in your pork cutlets. I seasoned one side already, as you can see, and I'm laying that face down. Now I'm doing a little seasoning now. So salt and pepper on this side. Step 4, make sauce. Okay, now we're gonna start making our sauce. So put in the remaining rosemary. So we're gonna add about a teaspoon of vinegar. There we go. And then we're going to put in the stock concentrate. Okay, place the maple syrup in there. You also want to put in a 1/4 cup of water. Okay, we're going to simmer this until thick. Step 5, toss salad. Okay, while we're waiting for the sauce to thicken with the pork chops, we're going to start making our dressing. Go ahead and pour in all your leftover white wine vinegar onto the mayonnaise, and we're going to whisk those together before we add it to the salad. Mix our apples in with our lettuce. Now we're gonna pour the dressing on top of the salad, and we're gonna toss it around and get it all integrated. Step 6, finish and serve. Go ahead and place half the salad on one plate. This should feed 2 people. So you're gonna split the salad in 2. Make sure you leave room for the pork chops on your plate. So now we're gonna lay out the couscous. Just place them right on top of that bed of couscous. And there it is, maple and rosemary glazed pork cutlets. All right, let's give this a try right now. Going for the couscous and the cutlet. It took a few bites for the rosemary to pop, but man, the rosemary with the maple is a home run. Let's give the salad a try. I never would have thought of mayonnaise and vinegar as a dressing, but it's amazing. Tastes so good. This is America's #1 meal kit. If you calculate the value, that's like $6.99 per serving. So if you use my special discount code that they gave me, it's JackShow60, you will get 6 free meals. 2 free meals out of your first 3 boxes. That's right. Go to HelloFresh, put in JackShow60, and you will get the discount just because you watch my show.